still have my ult too. So.
You can copy like tank or something, whatever.
Don't you not want to copy tank? Or is that good to copy?
Have no defense. Probably not KrmaL. Because it's a little. Or just go
Yeah, I think your ult will end before you have Ram ult. Like,
yeah. I'll probably copy like Anna.
I might switch to like Reaper or something so I can go after bad ones. Because they don't really have the support. They're too fucking DPS. Or, yeah, I'm gonna run back and switch.
Bro, holy fucking schmalgala this Genji, dude. This... Oh my god. I'm spending so much, bro.
Oh my gosh, how the I'm not gonna talk about that. No way!
Yo, get
Dude,
that
no.
fucking Anna way back there. Look at that Anna.
Dude, fuck Junkrat.
Yes!
It says he's level 6 Junkrat.
Hey guys, my name is Mern. I love all races equally, even the bad ones.
Well, you're the one explaining how excited you are that you won, so I just wanted to make sure I'm part of it.
Dude, this